What if your business could thrive with fewer bookings while increasing profit? This is the reality for Chelsea and Tony. Hostfully provided an intuitive, user-friendly platform that seamlessly adapted to their growing business needs. Dynamic pricing transformed their finances, with Chelsea stating that Wheelhouse led to their best financial year ever. Facing a sudden change with their cleaning service, they integrated Breezeway to enhance reliability and quality control. Empowering managers with in-house housekeeping resulted in fewer bookings but significantly increased profitability for Red Lodge. In just 1 year, direct bookings soared from 3% to an impressive 14% of total reservations. This impressive growth yielded higher profits and reduced OTA fees, delivering great news to their guests. To drive awareness, automated email prompts after checkout have successfully encouraged guests to book directly, incentivizing loyalty. Chelsea joyfully shares a story of converting persistent Airbnb customers into direct bookers, improving their bottom line. Red Lodge Reservations also showcases diverse promotions on their website, ensuring guests enjoy incredible value with every stay.